Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Instagram reel not working. So first of all, make sure your Instagram account is updated to the latest version. Go to your app store and check if your Instagram is updated to the latest version. If it is updated to the latest version, then go to your Instagram app and go to your profile and settings, and go to your settings and then go to the option of help. Just go to the help and then go to, there will be four more options. Go to the report a problem, and then after going to report a problem, there will be option of something isn't working. In after clicking something isn't working, you have to just type that the instagram the instagram reels are not working, are not available, then send it and not now. This is the one way of doing solving this problem. If this doesn't help, then I'll prefer uninstalling the app and then installing it again. And if it doesn't work, then there can be a problem of Instagram reels that they are not available in some countries right now. So that can also be a problem. So I hope you like the video. Kindly like the video and